Hey there, you loved my tessellation art video so much that I had to come back with another one. So here I am with a diamond and a star pattern. So let us start. So here I am. I'm trying to find out the center of the paper and it's very easy. Now I found it and I'm making horizontal lines here and vertical line too. I've erased rest of the things which I did not need and I'm just marking 1 centimeter on the line, and except the line I'm marking it once again so that I can get my vertical lines very straight, right? If we point 2 marks there, if we join 2 marks there, lines never fail to be straight, right? So I am going to mark my vertical lines here. So, and I'm going to repeat the same thing other way around, like on the horizontal side of the paper. So here on the horizontal side of the paper too, I am marking 1 centimeter, and I will make sure I do it 2 times on the same paper so that I get my lines vertical, right? So nothing has to be done now. We'll just connect all these lines. The points will be connected and the lines will be created. Basically, we are aiming at a grid which you find in your maths notebook or which you find in your graph book also, right? If you want to practice, you can use that also, but I would advise you to use white paper because that gives you the best and most powerful impact. So here we are through with the grid. Our grid is ready. So now we'll just find the center of this grid and we'll make our first diamond. You can see I am joining some special points here, and I have created my diamond, first diamond in the center. Okay. Now I will place my next diamond on the top of this diamond, and this diamond is going to be placed vertical and upright, you can say, on the first diamond. And the same thing we are going to repeat on the other side of the first diamond too. This is called mirroring technique, right? So with the mirror images, I am going to obtain a lot of diamonds here. So here I am. The basic trick which you have to follow is simple: one horizontal diamond, one vertical diamond, one horizontal and one vertical, and I go on, and this is going to give me the famous star and diamond pattern. Now you would ask me, where are the stars? Stars are very much here. Hold on, and we are going to get them, right? And I keep filling it, and this is a very good technique. You can fill in some more designs into these diamonds, maybe a flower, maybe some borders, maybe some dots, and this is going to enhance your design even more. This is very important skill of design, and it's very important for your mathematics project as well. You loved the previous video so much that I had to create a new one also. So this is why I decided to make one more. Now all the diamonds are there, and whenever you don't have anything or whenever you are not in much mood of doing much in art, you can always pick up your pencil, paper, scale, and you can just start creating all these, because once you make the grade you can experiment a lot with it. So there isn't just this pattern which you have to make, there are so many other patterns which you can try and you can create on your own rather. So we are almost through with this, and the diamonds are created. Now you'll come to know after coloring how it looks. So here I am coloring it. Okay, so I'm coloring in the stars and not the diamonds. Now do you see the diamonds are emerging? So this is my favorite part, right? Coloring. It gives me immense satisfaction when I color these. So if you like it, let me know in the comment section, and bye bye.